How to set up a database using the MySQL Database Wizard in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to set up a database using the MySQL Database Wizard. Click the MySQL Database Wizard icon. Enter a name for the new database, then click Next Step. Now we have to create a user for this database. Enter a username and create a password, then click Create User. Click the All Privileges checkbox, then click Next Step. That's it! My MySQL database has been created, and the new user added to the database. The database name, username, and password will all be needed for scripts that need to connect to the database. Now click the MySQL Databases icon on the main page. Here you can see the new database you just set up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up databases using the MySQL Database Wizard.